What if you could build a living fence, taller and thicker than anything you'd buy at a hardware store without a single nail or post? These 6 hedges grow so fast, you'll have full privacy before your neighbor even finishes putting up their fence. Number 4 can grow up to 5 feet in a single year. Let's get into it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Garden Sage, the channel that helps you grow a more private, beautiful, low-maintenance yard. We'll look at the fastest growers, but make sure you stay until the end for the one hedge you absolutely must avoid if you have young children or pets. Before you plant anything, check your USDA zone, soil drainage, and local regulations, especially with bamboo and privet.
If this helped, hit like, subscribe to the Garden Sage for more weekly gardening tips, and drop a comment telling me which hedge you're planting first.
Let's start with the hedge most landscapers reach for first, the Leyland Cypress. If you've ever driven past a property with a tall, seamless green wall running along the fence line, chances are you were looking at this one. Here's why it's so popular. Under good growing conditions, Leyland Cypress can add roughly 3 to 4 feet of height per year, which is genuinely fast for a woody evergreen. Give it a few seasons and you've got a mature privacy screen that would take most other trees a decade to build. It's evergreen, meaning you get year-round coverage, no bare, exposed winter months like you'd get with deciduous options. It thrives in USDA zones 6 through 10, handles a range of soil types, and doesn't ask for much once it's rooted in. But, and this is important, fast growth comes with a trade-off. Because it grows so quickly, it needs regular trimming to stay dense from top to bottom. Skip the maintenance for a couple of years, and you can end up with a hedge that's thin and leggy near the base, which actually defeats the purpose of planting it for privacy in the first place. Spacing matters too. Most growers recommend planting them about 5 to 6 feet apart, so the branches interlock and form a solid wall rather than individual trees with gaps between them. One more honest note. Leyland Cypress has had disease issues in certain regions over the years, particularly in overly wet or poorly drained soil. So before you commit, it's worth checking with a local nursery whether it's currently recommended in your specific area. Bottom line, if you want height and speed, this is a strong contender, as long as you're willing to put in a bit of pruning time each year. Next up is a hedge you've almost certainly seen without ever knowing its name. Privet. This one's the quiet workhorse of the hedge world. It typically grows around 2 to 3 feet per year, which is still fast, but its real strength isn't just speed, it's how forgiving it is. Privet tolerates poor soil, air pollution, salt spray near coastal areas, and heavy, repeated pruning better than almost anything else on this list. That makes it a favorite for city yards, roadside plantings, and homes near the coast. Depending on your climate, Privet is semi-evergreen, meaning in milder regions it holds its leaves through winter, while in colder zones it may drop some or all of them. Either way, it bounces back reliably in spring. Where Privet really shines is shaping. If you want that clean, manicured, almost sculpted look, sharp corners, flat tops, formal garden edges, Privet takes pruning exceptionally well and holds its shape between trims. Now, here's the honest part, and it matters for YouTube accuracy and for your own yard. Certain privet varieties are classified as invasive in some US states and parts of Australia, because birds spread their seeds and it can escape into wild areas. This doesn't mean you shouldn't plant it. It means you should check with your local extension office or nursery for which privet variety is approved and non-invasive in your specific region before buying. Choose the right variety for your area, and Privet gives you a fast, dense, low-fuss hedge that's been a landscaping staple for well over a century, for good reason. Number 3 is one of the most recommended fast-growing evergreens by landscapers today, the Thuja Green Giant. This hedge can grow anywhere from 3 to 5 feet per year under favorable conditions, making it one of the fastest true evergreens available to home gardeners. What sets it apart from something like Leyland Cypress is its growth habit. It naturally forms a dense, pyramid-like shape on its own, without needing constant shaping. That means significantly less pruning maintenance over its lifetime. It's also known for being relatively resistant to deer browsing, which is a real advantage if you live in a rural or suburban area where deer regularly damage garden plantings. Once established, usually after the first 1 to 2 years, it becomes quite drought-tolerant, needing far less supplemental watering than younger plants. Thuja green giant is hardy across USDA zones 5 through 9, which covers a huge range of climates across the U.S., from colder northern states down to warmer southern regions. If there's one thing to watch for, it's root space. Because this hedge grows tall and full, it needs adequate root room and shouldn't be planted too close to foundations, driveways, or underground utility lines. Most experts recommend spacing plants about 5 to 6 feet apart and keeping structures at a safe distance as the hedge matures. For homeowners who want a tall, thick, nearly maintenance-free privacy wall without spending every weekend with pruning shears, Thuja green giant is consistently ranked among the top choices by arborists and landscape designers, and it's easy to see why. Now here's the fastest grower on this entire list, clumping bamboo. Under the right conditions, certain clumping bamboo varieties can grow several feet in a single growing season, with some shooting up rapidly during their peak spring growth spurts. It creates an incredibly dense, lush, almost tropical-looking privacy wall unlike anything else on this list. But I need to be upfront about something important here because this is where a lot of people run into trouble. There are 2 very different categories of bamboo, clumping and running, and choosing the wrong one can genuinely cause problems for your property and your neighbors. Running bamboo spreads aggressively through underground rhizomes, sometimes traveling many feet away from the original planting site. It can push up through lawns, damage foundations, and cross property lines into a neighbor's yard, which has led to real legal disputes in some communities. It is banned or restricted in a number of municipalities. Clumping bamboo, on the other hand, grows outward slowly and stays largely contained in a defined area, expanding its base gradually rather than sending runners underground. It's far easier to manage and much less likely to become invasive. So the rule here is simple. Always confirm with the nursery, in writing if possible, that you are purchasing a clumping variety, not a running one. And it's still smart to check your local city or county ordinances, since some areas regulate bamboo planting regardless of type. Planted responsibly, clumping bamboo gives you unmatched privacy and a striking visual style. Just make sure you do your homework first. Number 5 brings a bit of color into the mix. Photinia Red Robin. This hedge grows at a solid pace of around 2 to 3 feet per year, but what really sets it apart is its appearance. New growth emerges in a vivid, almost fiery red before gradually maturing into deep, glossy green. The result is a hedge that constantly looks alive and dynamic, especially each time it's pruned and pushes out a fresh flush of red leaves. Photinia Red Robin loves full sun. The more direct light it gets, the more vibrant that red new growth tends to be. It adapts well to a range of soil types, as long as drainage is decent, since it doesn't tolerate consistently waterlogged roots well. It also responds beautifully to shaping, whether you want a tight, formal hedge line or a slightly looser, more natural form. Many homeowners use it not just for privacy, but as a genuine ornamental feature. It's common to see it used to frame entryways, driveways, or garden borders where color matters as much as coverage. One thing worth noting for accuracy: in humid climates or areas with poor air circulation, Photinia can occasionally be susceptible to a leaf spot fungal disease. Good spacing between plants and occasional thinning helps airflow and reduces this risk significantly. So if you want a hedge that gives you privacy and a visual centerpiece, something a plain wooden fence simply can't offer, Photinia Red Robin is one of the more rewarding choices on this list, especially if your yard gets plenty of direct sunlight. Last on the list is a bit of an outlier, Forsythia, and I've included it deliberately because it does something none of the other 5 hedges can do. Forsythia is deciduous, meaning it loses its leaves in winter, so it won't give you full privacy year-round the way an evergreen would. But here's why it earns its spot. It grows quickly, typically around 2 feet per year, and in early spring, before most other plants have even woken up, it explodes into a wall of bright yellow flowers, often before its leaves even appear. For a few unforgettable weeks each spring, A mature Forsythia hedge can be one of the most eye-catching features in an entire neighborhood. It's genuinely one of the earliest and boldest flowering displays you'll get in a garden. It's also low maintenance and forgiving of different soil types, tolerating both full sun and partial shade, though flowering is usually more abundant with more sunlight. The smart move with Forsythia is not to rely on it alone for privacy, but to pair it with one of the evergreens from this list, say, Thuja green giant or Privet, planted in a mixed hedgerow. That way, you get solid year-round coverage from the evergreen, plus a spectacular seasonal color show from the Forsythia each spring. Used this way, it's less of a standalone privacy fence and more of a seasonal showpiece that elevates the whole hedge line, proof that a fast-growing hedge doesn't have to choose between function and beauty. So there you have it, 6 hedges that can genuinely outgrow, outlast, and outbeautify any fence you'd ever buy off the shelf. If speed is your top priority, Thuja green giant or a properly chosen clumping bamboo will get you there fastest. If you want something low-fuss that just works no matter what you throw at it, Privet is hard to beat. And if you want privacy that doubles as a visual statement, Photinia's fiery new growth or Forsythia's spring bloom will do exactly that. But before you buy anything, check your USDA zone, your soil drainage, and your local planting regulations, especially with bamboo and Privet. A little research now saves you years of headaches later. That's it for today's video. If it helped you plan your next privacy project, do me a favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. And if you want more practical, no-nonsense gardening advice every week, make sure you're subscribed to The Garden Sage so you never miss a video. Drop a comment and let me know, which hedge are you planting first? I'll see you in the next one.